Hey Mess Fam, what is up? And welcome back to another video! Today I'm gonna be playing a cart ride. We're gonna ride this cart. Alright, let's go. I'm so excited. Oh no, there's carts on the track. What am I gonna do? Alright, let's get going. Oh, it's so bumpy. No, no, my cart. Just gotta go back. Quick! Please slow down. Okay, we got it to slow down. Don't worry. What does it say? God. Take it! Okay, it worked. We're going. We're going. We're gonna make it. Bruh. Batteries. Ouch! I slip on butter and butter. Bruh. Here we go! Oh no! Yeah, I just hate my life. Time to go at 100 speed. I'm so depressed. Why can't I just die already? Let's not leave that there for somebody to die on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Dude, it works. What the heck? I'm gonna walk there. Actually, I have a portable cart. Let's no!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Just die! Yes! I made it with my battery. No! Yes! Go! Yes! I made it. I wonder what that does. Looks like a shotgun and a wire. A drone? I drove my car too far. Bruh, whatever, I'm walking. I don't have legs. Like, thanks for watching, and I hope you tune in to the next video. If you want to see me beat this game, then like and subscribe, and I'll beat it with friends.